Hi, today I'm going to show you a charcoal grill life hack. If you have a charcoal grill, you can take Pringles potato chips, or actually any kind of potato chip, and start your charcoal in the grill with the chips. Simply put some in and around and maybe a few under. Light the chips. Almost got myself burned. And the chips will burn. Now you probably have to light a few, you can't just really light one. And you can get your charcoal going with a chemical-free way to start your charcoal burning. Now, yes, you could use lighter fluid, you could use matchlight charcoal, but if you got some chips laying around, I mean, it could be Doritos, it could be Pringles, it could be Lay's, it could be any kind of chip. This is a perfect way to start a charcoal fire the most safe way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank God it's spring in the northern hemisphere. Enjoy camping and cooking out, and I'll see you next time.